It's out here Friday. Wind is coming through, tornado warnings. We got wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Tornadoes in Nashville. My screen door just opened all by itself and took the little arm right off it. Looks like that Silverback tractor there is getting pushed over. I'm gonna have to fix that. This one over here is rocking going to town. I may lose things today. This is not good. Not good at all. Well, what a day. Got a tree down. Come across into my neighbor's yard, took the power out. Gonna give him a little hand. What a crazy day here. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, here's the update. It's 11 o'clock at night. Power company's out here getting that big tree out of the road. My neighbor next door's got my generator powering his house. Looks like the electric company's down there on the road picking up that big piece of tree we couldn't get at, and I definitely wasn't going to play with it because of the power lines. Yeah, they're after it. Funny, my power never went out. Ha ha ha. Yeah, they're busy down there. I'm glad they're getting that road's been shut down for hours. Windstorms here today were off the chain. 60+ mile-an-hour winds, tornado warnings. It was really bad. I thought bad things were going to happen here, and big oak tree on my property went down across the street, down on the easement. Almost 5 feet across, gigantic. I was over there cutting up wood with my neighbor for hours today, helping him out. Old buck's he's about 90 years old. Anyway, that's the update in Middle Tennessee. Ain't nobody got lights on but me. That's the beauty of being off-grid. My house is standing out like a sore thumb. Price of independence and freedom is priceless. I'm gone.